fight more.
And knowing Uti helps you understand Paul a little better.
Yeah, knowing Uti. Well, here's the other thing. Like, having that kind of European influence.
Push Kitty under the ground.
Kitty.
Whoa. Whoa.
Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win?
Mr. Chang.
Mr. Chang's got karate moves.
One of them's gonna scream. I think it's gonna be Kitty. What? Kitty's trying to find the cash, and she can't succeed.
It looks like Mr. Chang was just like holding on to the belly. The battle royale.
What?
Oh, take down. Uh-oh, Mr. Chang's hooked.
I'll tell you, the best part about this whole thing is that Kitty is in the Santa suit. I mean, it's really the best. And I think, oh my, is there a bell? Who has the bell?
No, it's no bells. They have their tags. That's what I was making nice. Kitty has 2 tags and they clack together.
Wouldn't it be great if we had Spider Santa?
Stop it.
Spider Santa.
Kitty has a spider suit. She wears it at Halloween.
How long can they do this for?
All night.
How long do you have?
I might have to stay here 2 days.
Let's put it this way. How much footage can you put on that camera?
Well, I had an hour earlier, but I've been shooting a lot of stuff at my Aunt Susan's house.
Well, you have to erase it for this.
Well, I think I just have to switch to my still camera that has the my digital camera that has motion. It just isn't as good quality.
Ow!
All right, who called it?
I think Kitty was.
That was Kitty.
He's like, all right,
Called Uncle.
I'm done.
No, but the guy. Oh, Kitty. Kitty left.
We have a victor.
Ain't shame.